Hello everyone, my name is RJ. This is my very first video. Today I'm going to be showing some of the most important moves for Rubik's Cube. So basically the most important moves of a Rubik's Cube is R apostrophe U apostrophe. Like up, left, down, right. And if you keep doing that, it will eventually solve itself, if it's already solved. Check out my other channel that is coming soon of how to solve a full Rubik's Cube. So yeah, basically this is the most important, one of the most important moves. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. So just keep doing that. And so just keep practicing that and just watch my full tutorial later if I post it, if I will ever post it. Okay, bye.